What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a collection on Google. So you want to go ahead and open up Google on your iPhone, and from here, click your profile on the upper right. In the list here, you'll find saves and collections. Click on that. Now, you can go ahead and you can create a collection from here. As you can see at the lower right, it says create. Click on that. And so you can give this collection a name. And you can see right there at the top that it says you're creating a collection. So I can call this one Drew, for example. Let me just create it like this, true. And I will just leave the description as, empty. You can write whatever you want, but I'm going to leave it as is, then click on done. And so that's it. And I've created the collection. Now you can add items into it from here by, basically click on it and you can just look for stuff. Now, the easiest way how to actually do this is, let's say you're on the Google. I'm going to click on home at the bottom, and let's say I'm scrolling through and I find something that I like, right? It could be whatever, right? So I'm going to just choose, for example, this option here. Doesn't matter, right? Let's say I want to save this. I will look at the bottom right. There's two icons, one for share and one for save. You click on the save. And so once you see it pops up and says save, you tap on add collection. And from here, you can choose your collection. So again, we had the Drew. I'm going to tap on add right there, and you can see it is saved to Drew. So this is the easiest way. Let's say you're scrolling and you see that you find something that you like, you can do it in real time. And if you don't have any, for example, collections or saves, you can go ahead and do it in real time. So for example, I have something that I wanted to show you. For example, this one. Let's say this is not about Barca, this is not about Drew, and I want to create something called sports. I can click on the save again. You see it says add to collection. I tap on that. And right here, I have new. I can click on the new and I can create a new collection in the meantime. So I'm going to just call this one sports or in football, right? For example, let's call it football, right? Then click on done. And you can see right away that it creates a collection for me. And I can click on view if I want to see it like that, or on the upper part of my screen on top, click my account, go into saved and collections, and I'll be able to see my collections right here. So you can see I have the football collection here. I have one called Barca and I have one called Drew. And that's it. I really hope your phone is useful, guys. And if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments if you have any question. I'll be more than happy to help you. And of course, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That would mean the world to me. Thank you guys for watching, and see you.